A stunning you deserves a stunner student home. Let's unravel the beauty of Harriet Martineau. Overlooking the stunning Aston University Chancellor's Lake, this accommodation is one of the most sought-after stays in Birmingham, which offers en-suites and one-bedroom flats that are fully furnished and ready to move in. The en-suite rooms come with shared kitchen and living spaces. You could also choose a private one-bedroom with a personal kitchen to cook mesmerizing meals. The rooms come with a bed, a study area, storage, heating, and carpeted floors, everything you need and more. Don't hesitate to visit the common area if you want to socialize or enjoy a game of ping pong or pool with your neighbors. Relax against the comfortable sofas in the common area if you wish to watch some TV with your friends. Got loads of assignments coming up? Invite your friends over and hustle hard into the study room. The property is only a few minutes from the center of the city in Birmingham City University. You can easily find a Tesco Express and experience Birmingham's world-class shopping and nightlife. Ride to amberstudent.com to Harriet Martineau now.